In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size and colors in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your site's text looks clean, consistent, and on brand. First, open your GoDaddy dashboard, choose the site you want to work on, and click Edit Website. This loads the visual editor where you can make changes and see them update live. It's easiest to do this on a desktop so you can clearly view the editor toolbar and the design panel that appears when you select content. Next, click directly on the piece of text you want to change. That can be a headline, a paragraph, or text inside a button. When the text is selected, GoDaddy shows you formatting options right above or beside the canvas. If you don't see text controls, make sure you've clicked inside the actual text box and not just the section around it. You'll notice that headings and paragraph text may have different controls. That's normal and helps you keep a clear visual hierarchy across your pages. Now look for the control that displays the current font. Click that current font name to open the typography settings. This panel is your hub for styling text. You'll see a list of available fonts and, depending on the section, options like weight, size, spacing, and color. Keep in mind that changing a heading font will instantly affect how bold and readable your titles appear, while a body font should remain clean and easy to scan. With the panel open, choose the font you want from the list. Take a moment to preview a few options before settling on one. Aim for a pairing that separates headings from body copy without clashing. If your site already has a brand font, stick with it for consistency. While you're here, adjust the size so your text is readable on both desktop and mobile. Larger sizes work well for headings, while body text should stay comfortable and not overcrowd the layout. Then set your color using the color picker, or swatches. Pick hues that align with your brand palette and maintain strong contrast against the background to ensure accessibility and legibility. As you make changes, glance at the mobile preview to confirm everything scales nicely. If something looks off, use Undo to revert. When you're satisfied, continue editing or exit the editor to keep your changes. That's it. Click Edit Website, select your text, open the current font, and pick the typeface you want while fine-tuning size and colors for a polished, professional look.